Good morning. So today's just a quick video discussing how to change the hotkey in the software. In other words, the keyboard express button right here. Sometimes if you're using a browser, perhaps like Chrome, or you have some other third-party software, they may already be using the F8 key for their own software, in which case you simply may need to change the keyboard shortcut. So in order to do that, basically you go up here to the settings menu right here, you click on settings, and then this little pop-up menu appears. So what you see is it says Keyboard Express Keyboard Profile Pop-up Hotkey Combo, and all you do is you simply choose a different key that's unassigned, which simply means that it's not being used by any other software application. Alternatively, you can also specify that you should have the Control, Shift, or Alt buttons pushed at the same time. So for example, if you're just normally pressing F8, then it opens something in some other software application, then you can specify to use the winning price search finder software that you would simply press Control plus F8 just by clicking that. And once you've changed it, let's for example change it to F7 and the Control, then you'd simply click on Save Settings right here. And now if I just press the F8 key, nothing pops up. If I just press the F7 key, nothing pops up. But if I press Control F7, then this little menu pops up, and of course I can just push whatever I want. So then I'd have a full name right here. And of course, when you're using this tool, make sure you do have a profile. If you don't have a profile, there won't be anything that pops up. And that's about it for today. If you have any other questions, definitely write in and let us know. And I hope you have a wonderful day and win a lot.